Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh and today we are going to learn about physical and chemical changes. We can observe so many kinds of changes around us. This is a part of nature. Changes exist everywhere. In our fourth chapter, heat, we studied about changes, that is the change of heat energy into different form or different form of energy into heat energy. Just like that, there are so many changes we can observe around us. That may be melting of ice, freezing of water, boiling of water, curdling of milk, cooking of food, melting of wax, burning of a candle. So many things we can observe around us. Now, which kind of change is this? If we are cooking a food, can we get the raw materials again? Can we get it back? Or like burning a candle, and after burning a candle हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि सम वैक्स मेल्ट्स, थोड़ा सा मेल्ट होता है, फिर से हम वी कैन गेट दैट वैक्स अगेन. लेकिन जितना हम बर्न करते हैं कैंडल को, वी कांट गेट बैक एग्जैक्ट और सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वैक्स अगेन. सो कुछ तो मेल्ट हो गया और कुछ कहाँ पे गया. सम वेयर डज इट गो, कहाँ गया ये. ओके, सो basically there are two kinds of changes around us. In one kind of change we can get back the previous thing again, and in another kind of change we can't get back the previous material again, previous substance again. So there are two kind of changes, those are physical and chemical changes. So physical changes are change in which only the physical properties of a substance changes, जिसमें कि सिर्फ physical property change होता है, that kind of changes are physical changes. So what are the physical properties of any substance? Maybe shape of the substance will change, or size will change, color, or state means solid to liquid or liquid to gas. For example, when we take out ice from refrigerator and we keep it sometime outside of the refrigerator, then what will happen to that ice cube? क्या होगा उसका? It will melt. So here the state of the substance will change. पहले ice solid form में था, now it will be in liquid form, that is water state. Okay, in the form of water, that is liquid state. And again, if we boil that water, then what will happen to that water? Water vapor will be formed. So again the state is going to change, that is gaseous state. But if we cool down that water vapor, then what will happen? हम फिर से water को, we can get water back. So here only state of the matter is going to change. So such kind of changes in which either shape or size or state of the matter is changing, those changes are called physical change. Understood? Now what are the other things that takes place in physical change? और क्या क्या चीजें होती है physical change में? In this, no new substance is formed. We have taken example of ice cube. Ice cube का जब state change हुआ तो क्या मिला हमें? Again we get back the liquid state, that is water. So ice भी water का ही form है, solid form, and water liquid form में भी water ही है. So there is no new substance is formed, characteristic is same. Okay, so in physical change no new substance is formed. जो उनके characteristic होती हैं वो सेम होता है, सिर्फ शेप, साइज, कलर और स्टेट इज गोइंग टू चेंज. नाउ it is reversible, sometimes irreversible as well. Normally physical changes are reversible, that means we can get water from ice again, and ice from water we can convert water again into ice. So this is a reversible change, that means we can get back the previous substance again. So such kind of change is called reversible change. But few physical changes are there in which we can't get back the actual shape, original shape of the substance. जो पहले का जो था ऑलमोस्ट बिल्कुल वैसा एग्जैक्टली हम शेप और साइज में नहीं पा सकते. लाइक टीयरिंग ऑफ पेपर, जब हम पेपर को टीयर करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली द स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ पेपर हैविंग द सेम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, चाहे वो छोटा पीस हो पेपर का और द बिग वन, characteristic is same in both the cases, but what is difference? Only it is irreversible. That means we can't get back the original paper again. That means जो पहले की size थी उस size में हमें नहीं मिलेगा. But is there any change in the characteristic, in the nature of that paper? No, the nature is same, either big size paper or smaller size bits of paper. Characteristic is same. What is changed? Only we can't get back again in the original form जो पहले की shape थी. So tearing of paper is irreversible, but it is physical change. Why? Because characteristic of paper is same, both are paper only, no new substance is formed. So in physical change, no new substance is formed. Now next. Examples are dissolving sugar or salt in water. When we dissolve sugar or salt in water, then what will happen? Obviously जब हम stir करेंगे तो it will mix completely in water, either sugar or salt. But if you want to get it back, then after boiling and evaporation we will get back again sugar crystal and salt crystal. So obviously we are getting back the same thing again. So such kind of changes comes under physical change. No new substance is formed here. Okay, and we can take an example of melting of wax. जब हमने wax candle जलाया तो we are getting back the wax. So that wax is again the same wax we are getting back. जो कैंडल में wax है वही wax हमें फिर से मिल रहा है. So that means it is a physical change, melting of wax. And rest of the changes whatever we can see here, rest of the changes are chemical change. So let us move towards chemical change. I hope you understood till physical change. Now let us discuss about chemical change. So chemical change is exactly reverse of physical change. ये physical का बिल्कुल reverse है, उल्टा difference है बहुत ज़्यादा दोनों में. Both are different. Okay. So chemical change in a change in which two or more substances react with each other and finally either one or two or more new substance will be formed. So in a chemical change always new substance will be formed, right? And the characteristic of new substance will be different than the previous substance. That means after the reaction जो reactant मिला हमें उस reactant का after the reaction जो हमें product मिला, the characteristic of product will be different than the reactants जिनसे कि वो product बना, उससे different characteristics है. That means reactants characteristic and product characteristics are completely different. So this is what a chemical change. New substances formed, properties are different. So these kind of change in which new substance are formed are called chemical change, and the chemical properties of substance is different. Chemical properties, not physical properties. Okay, so chemical properties are different. Now it is irreversible. The chemical change is irreversible. That means when a product new thing is formed we can't get back the reactant again. मतलब जिससे वो नई substance बनी है we can't get back that substance again. Okay, so product is new substance and we can't get back the reactants जो पहले था. Example, burning of candle. When we burn a candle, melting is physical change, but burning जो flame निकलता है और burn होता है that is a chemical change. Burning is always a chemical change because new substance is formed there. What is new substance there? Heat is released, light is released, at the same time carbon dioxide gas is also released, and in burning oxygen is utilized. So there is reaction between candle wax and oxygen, and carbon dioxide and water vapor is formed. So burning is a chemical change. Curdling of milk, जब हम मिल्क से कर्ड बनाते हैं तो वी कांट गेट बैक कर्ड मिल्क अगेन. क्या हमें मिल्क फिर से मिलेगा? नो, वी कांट गेट इट बैक. So which kind of change is this? Curdling of milk. Obviously this is a chemical change, right? Now rusting of iron. If iron rust, जब rusting हो जाता, जंग लग जाता iron में, तो we can't get back that kind of fresh iron again. पहले जैसा iron हमें नहीं मिलेगा. और जो rusting है that is now वो iron का waste, मतलब waste हो गया वो iron. So rusting is a chemical change and rusting is irreversible. फिर से हम उस rusted iron से fresh iron नहीं पा सकते. Cooking of food. When we cook food, the new delicious vegetables, कुछ भी recipe हम बनाते हैं तो we can't get back the raw materials. Like we are cooking some kind of vegetable, तो onion, garlic, potato जो भी लग रहा है, we can't get back raw materials again. वो कच्ची चीज़ें हमें फिर से नहीं मिल सकती. So which kind of change is this? This is a chemical change in which new substance is formed, and the characteristic of new substance is completely different than the previous one, and it is irreversible. Clear? I hope you understood the difference between physical and chemical change. Now look at the screen.